This is video number 2 of 3. If you haven't watched the other 2, I will put a link down in the description below. In the first video, we checked out the X10 speaker from W King, and in this video, which is video number 2, we're going to check out their T9 model. Full disclosure, W King sent these speakers to me for free. However, they're not paying me to make this video, nor they get to see my opinion of these speakers before it goes public. And in the final video, we're gonna put these two speakers head to head to find out which one is the true king. First, I'm gonna review some specs real quick. I took some notes so that way I don't miss anything, but let's get right to this. So this is the T9 model. It has 80 watts of power. It has a 12,000 milliamp battery. It does not offer a fast charge similar to the X10 model, but more about the pros and cons and comparing the two in next video. The 12,000 milliamp battery, it takes between 6 to 7 hours to charge. The charger brick that you need, a 10 watt or 15 watt charger will be enough. This one, because of the base port it has in the back and it's fully open, it is not water resistant. So you need to be careful if you're gonna go ahead, take this outside, and let's say if there's a pool nearby, you just wanna be careful where you're gonna have this thing placed. It uses Bluetooth 5.0. It has 6 different light effects. Well, technically 5. One of them is an off mode. We're gonna take a look at those. It has total of 4 drivers, 2 4-inch woofers, and 2 1.2-inch tweeters. It has similar EQ mode as the X10, 1 indoor mode and 1 outdoor mode. It is capable of playing music anywhere between 60 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. You can use this as a power bank. You can pair this with another T9 model only and have a true wireless speaker. It has removable strap and it weighs a little over 8 pounds. And by the way, my name is Sean. If you guys are new to this channel and this is the first time you're stopping by, you may want to hit that subscribe button if you think you like content like this. And when you hit the bell notification, make sure to change that to all so you won't miss any of my future videos. And giving this video a like would be greatly appreciated. That's the biggest help you can give me, so the YouTube algorithm will be satisfied. The unboxing experience of this thing is fairly straightforward. You have one accessory box with 2 cables in it, a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable and a USB type A to USB type C cable for charging. Whenever you want to use any portable wireless speaker, it is recommended to have it fully charged before you start using this. So I have had this charge. I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on for the first time, pair it up, listen to some music. I'm gonna do it twice, once at 50% and then at 100%. By the way, when you're pairing your speaker, in case if it asks for any PIN code, depending on the type of phone you have, the code is just 0000. Starting at 50%, 50.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah.
Cutaways. Mike LV. I done wasted enough of my time. I'ma need that back.
Yeah, it's all at the time with the I've been roll out of line like I don't read the songs. I'm so done with the lies. That's why I ain't got no time. Always no island. Stay fly, no pilot. All beef, no diet. Real G, stay silent. I'm all for the mission to pray for the attention because the festivals come with complacency issues, and then the chosen the hawkers replacing no picking the tissues. They're thinking and crying and laughing and ain't for the issue. I've been up like all night working on the crab cause the sucker don't ball right. Doing about to swing cause we ain't about to fall. I'm living on my knees cause I know it ain't all I. Oh my God, never gonna stop. Think I'm finna go and change my legal name to Pops. Y'all a bunch of birds, I ain't even gotta fly. Looking for the beat, find a light up in the top. See it at the top. Praise.
This thing sounds really good. Definitely the bigger woofer and bigger tweeters. I can notice the difference. The light effects, I was switching through that. Hopefully you guys got a glimpse of that. So you have 5 different modes and the 6th option is fully off. I'm gonna play this one more time at 100% and see how it sounds.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah.
Cutaways. Mike LV. I done wasted wasted enough of my time. I'ma need that back.
Yeah, it's all the time with the I've been roll out of line like I don't read the signs. I'm so done with the lies. That's why I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no.
Whew. So at about 2 feet, this got to 105.4 decibel off of this meter. So just kind of put it to perspective how loud this thing gets. Like I said, this was going to be a fairly short video. Let me know, what do you guys think? What questions do you have for me? You can drop it down in the comment section below. If you haven't liked this video, don't forget to do that. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 3, comment links down in the description below. Definitely check them out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Cutaways. Mike LV. I done wasted enough of my time. I'ma need that back.
Yeah, it's all the time with the I've been roll out of line like I don't read the signs. I'm so done with the lies. That's why I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.